Have you ever been told you was nothing? That you'll never ever amount to nothing? I told them my dream.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I look crazy, but this is going to be a really quick one. I'm going to teach you how to put on some eyelashes and also how to do a perfect winged liner. Okay, really quick, really simple. So you need some tweezers for your lashes, and number 2, you will need eyeliner. Now I like to use, where's my eyeliner? Give me a minute.
A few moments later.
I'm back. Okay, so I use a gel liner. So this is the Maybeline New York Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Liner, and it's 24 hours. This liner is so good. You can find it at Boots, Sainsbury's, Morrison's, Tesco, Superdrug, any like shop really. You can find it in your grocery stores, beauty supply store. It is available, and it's just under 10 or 20 pounds, so it's very inexpensive and it's really good. And then you need an angled brush. So you need an angled brush like that. Well, I think I might use my Anastasia Beverly Hills one for my, so either one of these 2 brushes. There we go. So firstly, I like to put on my lashes. Now with your lashes, I like to use strip lashes. With lashes, you want to make sure that you personalize them. So I'm going to use some scissors and I'm going to cut them to, I'm just going to cut the corners. I'm going to cut the corners on the ends so they can fit to my eye. And they should look a little something like that. Yeah? And then we do the same to the other side. And then you're going to put glue on your lashes. Not a lot, just a little bit. And I'm just going to go over the lash. Some glue. That. See? Not too much glue because you don't want your eye to be sticking together. And then I'm going to dry the glue a little bit. So I'm going to give it a bit of a blow. And then if you come closer, I'm going to just stick that on. You want to make sure you push your lash in on your lash line so it doesn't sit, so it sits on the skin just above your lashes, so not on top of your lashes, but it just sits on the bed of your lashes. So if you look here, it's just sitting on the bed but not on the lashes. Then that way it can look as natural as possible, and then you just want to push it up a bit until it's nice and secure. When it feels secure, you move on to the next. Oh, it's not sitting properly on the end. You want to make sure you're nice and patient with it, because if you're not, then your lash will just be doing oh, do a Candace. If you watch The Real Housewives of Potomac, you'll know what I mean when I say do a Candace. Now I'm going to do the other eye. That should be nice and secure. Then you want to make sure you pull your eyes down so that it's not sticking on you. And that's how you put on lashes. It's literally like learning how to parallel park. Like, it's so difficult. So now let's do eyeliner. The perfect winged eyeliner. I've been winging my eyes. I've been doing my eyes for some years now. So it's not a one day done. It's gonna take some time. Okay. I've been at this since day. And to this day.
To this day.
Sometimes I be getting it wrong. So, yeah. So you want to take an angled brush. So I'm going to use my eyebrow brush number 12 from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to use my Maybelline Gel liner. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to dip. I'm just going to dip. Baby, I just want to see you dip. Can you take a turn? Not too much, just about that much. And then you want to start, I like to do it when my lashes are on, so then I can just draw eyeliner on top of the lash just to make it blend very well, make it look natural. So now you want to take your brush and do a line from this corner to this corner of your eye, okay? So from here to here, and then we're going to lift. So you want to take a small mirror again, and you want to just go from corner to corner. And you kind of want to stop here. And then we're going to dip again. Well, I'm going to dip again. And then you're going to go from this corner now. And you're going to go up in a diagonal line. Now you're going to go up. Slowly. Not too much. Now, I like a dramatic wing. So I'm going to go all the way up. And then you're going to change, so you're going to hold your brush like this. And then you're going to make sure that the flat side, so this flat part is the one that's touching your skin. And then you're going to take that flat part and you're going to go all the way. You're going to take that flat part again and you're going to fill in all the way up again until you get your desired shape. And that's how it's done. And now you can breathe. Sometimes I'll be holding my breath so long, like when I do line art, because it's just so scary. And then you want to dip again and go over that line. Make sure you've got the precise darkness, like you've got enough product on to last you. Then you're going to go over it. And also just to level it as well. So it's all one level. And there's your liner. And now I'm going to, and done. So that is how you put on lashes and you do a perfect wing liner. Now I'm going to finish this look. If you want to see the finished look, then watch the next video to see how I managed what this look all came out to be in the end. Thank you. Stay blessed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share this video if you care. Thank you.
Have you ever been told you was nothing? That you'll never ever amount to